I just fought it and that ish was stink. But bro could have lost more than just eyebrows. Yo, that was a great catch.
Turn down for what?
I bet she swallows.
Ah, look at that, sweetie. They love you. Flipper. Hey, Flipper. Hey, what the fuck is that dolphin doing? Hey, that dolphin is me doing my daughter. That dolphin is assaulting my fucking daughter. Get that fucking thing away from her.
She haven't gotten any in a while. Please like, share, and follow.